Diane in Denmark here, and I just want to say rah, 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 how excited I am to be back. Now, you may not have even noticed that I haven't been here for the last 2 weeks, but I did tell you 2 weeks ago at the end of our self-care challenge week. Remember, I took you through a little challenge where we did 5 days of self-care. I told you at the end of it I was going to take a wee break from YouTube and from Instagram. I've been off both. And I've told you this before, I'm not on YouTube as a business. You know, I have other work that I do, and the YouTube videos are, you know, it's my little hobby, and I just want to be there and encourage you to use the Flylady system, getting things done system that, you know, everybody can do. It's not kind of hocus pocus, we just keep moving forward. And Instagram I use as my, like an accountability thing, you know. As I said, I post my pictures every day. You'll see the shiny sink, you'll see outfit for tomorrow, what we're having for dinner, what I'm decluttering, which area we're working on according to the Flylady system. Here's my wee dolly over there. So I've been off those for 2 weeks because, as I said to you, I also need to take breaks. I'm always telling you lot to take breaks. So I've had a great break, and I have also been working on projects. You know, I've got quite a few projects going, and I finished off a lot of projects, ticked all the boxes, and I've got other ones which I've moved forward on. So it's all in all, it's been a great couple of weeks, but I have so missed our little community here. And anyway, so I'm just diving in again this week. I will be making another video today. This is just going to be a quick hello. I'll be making a little video about the current Flylady Zone. I'm going to be doing 15 minutes. I'm just going to grab my little cleaning caddy in a minute. And anything else to report? Basically, life has just been going on as usual. I've been out, you know, skinny dipping with Helena and Vibeke. This time next week, Helena and Vibeke and I will be on the French Riviera in the south of France. That was one of the projects that I've been working on. I turned 50 years old last year, and I said to myself, you know, I didn't want a kind of, you know, I didn't want a gift that was, you know, jewellery or something. You know, the older I get, the more, and I like, you know, experiences and being together with my besties or with the family. So I'm taking Vibeke and Helena for a few days down to Nice. We've got a fantastic apartment right on the Place Rosetti, if you know Nice at all, and we'll be able to look down and see the world go by and sit there with our glass of chilled rosé and see people getting their ice cream, and we're going to have tons of fun. So anyway, that's one of the things that is all ready and organised. I just need to pack my suitcase this week. And the other thing, something that was quite exciting, the first week that I was off YouTube and Instagram, I came home to discover a would-be burglar in our garden. Anyway, it all ended well. I chased him down the road. I was on the phone to the police, chased him down the road, and they caught him. Anyway, we'll have plenty of time to chat, but that was quite funny. And otherwise, it's just been business as usual, and I have read so many books the last couple of weeks. And yeah, that's basically about it. So anyway, I just wanted to say how much I have missed y'all. I'm looking forward to getting back behind the little camera and seeing it also on Instagram. And I'm just going to keep it short and sweet here because I need to go and catch up with my zone cleaning. So I'm going to grab my cleaning caddy, grab my pom-poms, and I shall see you very soon. So as usual, live long and prosper. May the Danish sugar be with you, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Okay, I have missed you. Okay, see you soon.